How's it going out there, all you sexy ladies? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and I know that there's a rule on the internet that says there are no women on the internet, but I'll make an exception for you ladies because you're so good looking. That's what I'm talking about. Always, especially you, Louie. Anyways, I want to talk about the crazy things that you can get off eBay. And I know everybody knows you can get crazy things on eBay, but there are just some things I wouldn't expect anyone would want to get from eBay, particularly cheaply from China with free shipping. And this is one of those things, a beginner's tattoo kit. My goodness. For 30 bucks Canadian, you can get all of this awesome stuff. You can get some black leather gloves, all kinds of colors. These things. Anyways, I found out about this because my buddy was having a party and his nephew had a whole bunch of tattoos. His nephew's 14 years old, and I'm like, "Do you have tattoos?" I don't want to talk about it, is what he said, but still blew my mind. He's like, how did he get these? And my buddies are like, Nev, you can get like anything on eBay. You taught us this, right? And my goodness, you actually can. I don't even know exactly what these, I guess that's the needles for them actually. Okay, I have no idea what that is. That must be the flux capacitor. It looks like you plug that into your guitar amp. That must be it. Yeah, there's no way you could hook it into the box. Come on, show me the box unit. They don't even show you the box unit. It seems to be more interesting than the handheld. This piece up here in the top right. That must be where you hook your ghetto blaster, right? For all some people know, that's what this stuff is. Anyways, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Oh yeah, different professional sets. You can get more than one. Can't believe they're actually selling. Can't believe people are actually buying this. You see some parts of bad neighborhoods will have, what do they have? They'll have like neck tattoos. You're going to keep having neck tattoos, but they're going to get worse and worse looking. But you know what? If you're done with that, if you don't want your tattoo anymore, you can get a plasma removal tool. Check this stuff out. Actually, before nervous. Oh, a spot remover. They advertise it as a tattoo remover. Scar remover. Removing spots. Those aren't spots. That's just a horrible ginger. Removing hemorrhoid. I don't think that's a hemorrhoid. Jeez, could you imagine removing hemorrhoids in your butt? Could you imagine being the person that removes hemorrhoids from your butt? Oh my goodness, I'm definitely gonna have to buy that one later. Moles, warts, skin tags, freckles. Yep, yep. I'm gonna let my wife work on my hemorrhoids with this. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, if you need some more power, if you don't mind dropping 1,400 bucks Canadian, you can get one of these. I actually watched a YouTuber do a video on this and who actually knew about lasers. He went to school for this kind of stuff and he was amazed that he could get this kind of power. He used it a little bit. He used it a little bit, and oh yeah, if you're dealing with different color things, apparently you need different colors of light. This one will bring two different laser lights together to focus it to make it even more powerful. Because, so get this, laser remover doesn't work so well on black people, unfortunately, because of the color of their skin. It'll blast color right out of a white person, but not a black person. Racist, misogynistic, etc., so on and so forth. It's 2019. You should be better than this. This is the kit that he had, I believe. These goggles, they do nothing. The foot switch, and all that fun stuff. He had a lot of fun with that, actually. You can check that out. Actually, check the link in the description. I'll see if I can find it again. And you can see him, he shoots all kinds of stuff, even himself. That poor guy. Yep, let's get an EKG meter. Oh my goodness, this one's actually in Illinois. Yes, I believe that this is used to check your heart and stuff. I'm too young still, hopefully, that I don't need to know what that is. EKG monitors, all kinds of that stuff. But let's get on to my personal favorite, an EEG. Man, for about $1,000, you can get an EEG reader so you can monitor brain waves. Would you trust something like this to come from China from a buyer with, like, look at how old that system is. It looks like it's made for Windows XP. EEG. I would love to get one of these and test it to see it. Yeah, about $1,000 to test it and see if it is even usable. See if it even picks up brainwaves like it says it does. 5,000 square. That's not so bad. And here we got another EEG meter. Anyways, that's it from me. Never from Nev's Tech Bits. If you can think of anything crazy that you can get off eBay, you just think of something crazy and search eBay and see if it's out there. Free shipping, $1,300. Man, I would love to get something like this, but I have no excuse to spend that kind of money. I have an excuse, but I don't think my wife would consider it an excuse. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Have a good one. Take care of each other, and have a good one.